Rick with the best of everything. Let's take a look at the Pictek combination smoke and carbon monoxide detectors. Now this is a much more deluxe unit than I initially thought it was when I got it in. Okay, the first thing that you notice, this one has a little doodad for AC power. You can run your little wires through the wall and feed it with 100 volts through 240 volts. So your standard house power is generally about 120. You're good to go. Okay, now the next other thing that I just discovered, and I just ordered 2 more of these network together. I'm gonna get rid of all that other crap I got down there from Wally World. I mean, I love you to death, Wally, but those is nowhere near. These are interlinked. Okay, you put your battery in there and you're good to go. Any way you look at it, you can run your house current 120 AC, 115, whatever the hell it is. Usually 120 volts. You can run your house current to keep this going all the time, save your battery life. Okay, now the thing I was talking about, compound interlink. You get your, say, 3. I have 3 smoke detectors here in the house and 1 carbon monoxide back in the back, and they're all going out. I will give those to somebody that has no detectors. They will be a step up. But what you do, you get your 3 detectors with your 9-volt battery, get them powered up. Now you do your test signal on your first one, make sure that that's working. Then you get your second one out and you hold down the button. It'll do a long beep instead of the 85 decibel beep beep beep. It'll go beep. Okay, that means that it is in line with number 1. Okay, that's number 2. Okay, so you get your third one out, get your battery in it, and you do the same thing. Hold down the button and it will set itself to number 2 so that it is number 3. You'll get the same thing, a long beep, and that means that it's good to go and ready. Okay, what is cool about that is there are many other alarm bells, other notification devices and sensors that will work on this kind of network. And once they're hooked together, if one senses carbon monoxide or smoke, they all alarm. So there's no screwing around about it. You know, you didn't hear the one in the back room while the house burnt down. You didn't hear the one in the kitchen. But yeah, these these are more deluxe than I thought they were. I was just going to slap this up in the hallway. But I'm going to go the full boat. I've got an electrician on the way out that's going to pull me a wire from the attic down the wall. That way I don't have to get up there. It's 103 degrees out here. We'll let that young wiry guy crawl back there in the attic and run me down a power line. So, from Pictek, combination smoke and carbon monoxide detectors. And, I was going to stand on the ladder and hang this on the ceiling and replace the other one, but hey, this is more deluxe than that. This needs the deluxe treatment. Pictek combination smoke and carbon monoxide detector by Pictek. Also, this is photoelectric. This doesn't have the atomic grid where like one or two molecules will give you a false positive. This is the good stuff. Comes with 12-month warranty, 30-day money back. You can't beat that. Thank you, Pictek. I am sure glad I saw that. Oh, there's somebody at the door. I bet that's the electrician. Get one, get three. I did. I am darn happy about it.